Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Outback's bloom sauce. Hit it. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Outback bloom sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We got about a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of creamy horseradish, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and in the one bowl we have 1/3 of a teaspoon paprika, 1/3 of a teaspoon cayenne, 1/8 of dried oregano, and then we're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper at the end and mix it all up. Let's start doing it. Alright, as always, make sure you have a bowl big enough for the ingredients. Let's do our mayonnaise. Everything will be in the description box below, so you can do this at home with the measurements. Ketchup. Our horseradish. Make sure you use creamy horseradish and not straight horseradish because there will be a difference in the flavor profile. All of our seasonings that were in one bowl. Then we're going to hit it with a little salt and just a dash of freshly ground pepper. Mix it up. Alright, we're going to take some photos of this, put them in the timeline with some groovy music. Keep watching. Give this a try. Get a medium-sized onion ring so we can get some taste on her. Oh wow. Creamy. Horseradish hits you right out the gate. Pairs really well with onion rings, by the way. And that crunchiness of the onion ring. And then you got that smooth creaminess of the horseradish sauce and the mayonnaise. This is really good. Perfect for bar food. Go ahead and give this a try at home. Next time you make onion rings, this is the sauce to go to. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share this with everybody. Everybody that you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.